If you've been trying to delete contacts in Google Drive, here's the important thing you need to know right away. You actually can't do that because Google Drive does not store contacts. Google Drive is for files, folders, and documents, but contacts are managed in a completely different Google service. So in this video, I'm going to show you the correct place to delete contacts, how to remove them from Google Contacts, and how to permanently delete them if you want them gone right now. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Google Contacts. This is the service you need, not Google Drive. You can search for Google Contacts in your browser or go directly to the contacts page if you already have it bookmarked. Once it loads, sign in with the same Google account where the contact is saved. Now, on the main contacts screen, you'll see a list of people and saved contact entries. Use the search bar to find the contact you want to remove. This is the fastest way if you already know the name, email, or phone number. If you have a long contact list, searching makes the process much easier. Once you find the contact, hover over it and check the box next to the name. After that, look for the trash icon at the top of the page. Click that trash icon to delete the contact. Google will usually ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm the deletion. At this point, the contact is removed from your main contact list, but it's not always permanently gone yet. Like many Google services, deleted contacts are often moved to trash first. That means you still have one more step if you want to erase them completely. To permanently delete the contact, go to the trash section inside Google Contacts. In the trash area, you'll see deleted contacts that can still be recovered for a period of time. Select the contact you want to remove forever and then click Delete Forever. This permanently removes the contact from your Google account, so make sure you really want to delete it before you confirm. That's the full process. Again, the key thing to remember is that contacts are not deleted from Google Drive because Drive simply doesn't manage contacts. You have to use Google Contacts instead. Once you know that, deleting a contact only takes a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.